Guys, I think these are the best fidgets for whenever. I think the fidget cube is the best for anxiety because if you like to fidget with your fingers a lot, then this is a good fidget for you. It has lots of sides to fidget with, and it will keep you distracted and calm. Poppets. Poppets are really good fidget toys when it comes to getting really bored, because this is an infinite toy where you could play with and it won't stop. And it is really hard to break and is also childproof. Wacky tracks. Wacky tracks are very, very cool, and you could really make anything with them. You could connect them and attach many different fidget toys, like wacky track fidget toys with them, and you can make it as big as you want. Squishies. I think squishies are good because if you get really stressed out, you could use this to get all your anger out, and it will most likely not break unless you actually intentionally try to break it. But yeah, I think this is a good fidget. These clickers. I think they're really good because this is also a good toy to fidget with when you're stressed out, because you could look at the different faces and you could also click it, which makes it sound really satisfying. I don't really know what this is called, but the ones that have the sequence that can flip and have different colors, I think those are really good fidgets because you could easily change them different colors, and you can also make a lot of different designs, like I'm making a smiley face. And whenever you mess up, you could just easily start all the way back over. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye!